In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change artboard size in Inkscape. If you're coming from other design tools, you might know this as the artboard. In Inkscape, it's typically called the page or canvas, but the idea is the same. It defines the printable and exportable area of your document. Let's walk through the process clearly so you can set the exact size you need. First, launch Inkscape on your desktop. Give it a moment to load your workspace. If you already have a project in mind, open an existing document so you can see how the page size relates to your current artwork. This helps you visualize margins, bleed areas, or how your graphics will sit within the final output, whether you're exporting for web or preparing a print. Next, head to the File menu in the top left corner of the screen. From there, select Document Properties. This opens a dedicated panel where all page settings live. In many versions of Inkscape, you'll see a tab labeled Page. In some, it may be called Display. Either way, you're in the right place once you find the section that controls the page format. Inside that area, look for the Format section. This is where Inkscape organizes page-related options so you can set the dimensions in a consistent, predictable way. Before typing in sizes, adjust the units first. Pick the measurement system that matches your goal, pixels for screen work, inches or millimeters for print. Choosing units up front avoids unexpected conversions and makes it easier to match specifications from a client, printer, or platform. With units set, move to the custom size controls. Type your desired values into the width and height fields. You'll see the page outline update to reflect your new dimensions, so you can immediately check how your artwork fits. If the page becomes smaller than your design, remember that Inkscape doesn't scale your objects automatically. It simply changes the page boundary. If needed, you can later reposition or resize your artwork to sit neatly within the new page. As you adjust sizes, keep an eye on how your document will be exported. For web images, pixels ensure clarity at the intended display size. For print, matching exact millimeters or inches helps you meet layout templates and avoid surprises at the printer. That's all there is to it. Open your document, go to File and Document Properties, choose the Page or Display tab, set your units, and enter your custom width and height. Once you've dialed in the right measurements, you're ready to continue designing with confidence.